The chord bisector theorem. So the statement is as follows: if the diameter intersects a chord, then the diameter will bisect, divide the chord equally. Right, so this is called as the chord bisector theorem. Now, how do we give an example for this? So let me have a center there, and there is this chord AB. Now, from here, the diameter is hitting the chord. So the center is O and this is P and Q. So this division will be equal. So that is the understanding. Now with this, let me give an illustration. So imagine we have this PQ. PQ, the diameter is 20 cm. And we have a point M. We need OM. Okay, and we have AB to be as say 12 cm. Okay, so with these informations we will have to get OM. Okay, we are given PQ is 20 units, the diameter is 20 cm, so that means OA, which is the radius, is going to be 20 over 2, which is going to be 10 cm. So I'm going to have this as 10 cm. Now this entire length is 10 cm. So I want to get this length. Okay. So if I were to take this to be as say sum x, if I were to take say MQ to be equal to say sum x, then this entire length is 10 units, right? From 10 units you take away x, this is going to be 10 negative x. Now AB is 12 units, so AM is going to be 6 units. Now this is an intersection, it's a bisection or a bisector that is actually dividing AB into equal parts. So this is going to be 90 degrees. Since OMA is a right triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So that's going to be OM squared plus AM squared is equal to OA squared. So OM squared is 10 negative x the whole squared, AM squared is 6 squared, and OA squared is 10 squared. So this is 100 negative 36 is equal to 10 negative x the whole squared. Now this is going to give me 64. So 10 negative x is the raised to the power of 2 is equal to 64. Now if I were to take the square root on both sides, I would get 10 negative x is equal to 8. So that means 10 negative 8 is equal to x. So x is equal to 2 units. So the question can also be asked find MQ, right? So we have got this to be as what? 2 units. So this is going to be 8 units. So therefore OM is equal to 8 units. Let me write that term 8 units. So this is a lovely question. You were able to solve this question using chord bisector theorem. So let's move on.